Today I'm with the cute little friend over here to get some stuff to make South African food. What is it called?
7 colors.
7 colors.
7 or several colors.
Several colors. We are back home. About to start cooking.
You sure my friends are problematic?
We both marinating the chickens.
The chicken.
What is that? Ketchup?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's mixed with something.
Oh.
From SA spices.
Okay. What is this? Chicken spice. Is it all chicken spice?
Chicken, barbecue, bacon chops.
Barbecue.
Curry powder.
Steak and what? Ah, I have curry powder too.
Oh.
Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go, we
So good.
And yeah.
Mix.
back in my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted, and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood.
That looks so good. I'm so hungry now.
Spite they feeling. I could tear you apart, or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate.
What is this? Thyme or something? Okay. He's just putting whatever in there. Oh my god! What the heck? I hope it's not ruined.
Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up.
Degrees? Specific degrees.
It's in Celsius.
Yes. Degrees Celsius, I wanted to say. 180.
180. How long?
13, 15.
14.
Let's try 15.
15 minutes. Alright.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go,
This is for the rice.
on freedom. If you come ready for a demon.
She's using all my filtered water.
Girl, you see.
I usually just like wash it and then cook it.
Wait and see. Let me make this part meat first. It's not really ready. I have to drain out all the water in here.
Apparently this is how they make rice in South Africa. They let it cook and then they rinse out the starch or something, right?
Yes.
They take out.
Not everybody does this.
Not everybody does this, but some people do. This is interesting. How many times do you wash it? Until like the water is clear?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense. Get all the starch out. It's not good for you. Now it's clear. So we're gonna add water, put it back on the stove. so it doesn't stick together. Alright. And we like it.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak quiet. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony.
Smells good though. Washing up vegetables.
Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
I regret not bringing airmail. I'm gonna need butter and red all peppers.
What do you put in first? Everything? Onion.
Okay. And then let's go. I'm so red. You know, people are gonna say, yo, this girl. Everything in to run all the flavors.
I have, yeah, girl, she's trying to kill herself.
my word. I need that on camera. It's your fault. Girl.
The tiny one.
Yeah.
It's okay. We're eating it. We're not fancy.
We ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Same us for the way up. Play the game, bruh. Never stop. Don't get it if I want it.
Yes, please.
So won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest.
So I'm going to be trying my first ever South African food.
I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same.
It literally tastes like Ghana food. Basically rice with like stew or gravy, vegetables, mashed potatoes, chicken. South African food.
Feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure.